Hi, I'm Chris Wagstaff and I'm from Talbot. Gig Buddies Cymru is a befriending scheme that matches people with learning disabilities in Wales with a volunteer who shares the same interests so they can go to gigs and other events together. I ran the Cardiff Half last year to raise money for Gig Buddies, and we raised thousands. I had a great experience running the Cardiff Half Marathon. It's a great track, really level, and the people at Cardiff are so friendly, out with their jelly babies and their encouragement and their high fives. And having the Gig Buddies team support you at different parts of the course, particularly right at the end when you need that extra, it was fantastic. We've got 16 free places available for runners of all levels to join Team Gig Buddies at this year's Cardiff Half. Please click the link to claim your free place.